A tale of two big cities
The city of brotherly love.
Welcome to the Bird.
with two even bigger personalities.
I'm Murph, owner and operator of South Philly Murph's Pawn Shop on South Street. Here in Philly, I got all the business and women I can handle.
If you're looking for something Stillers, Pirates, Penguins, we got all that crap down at Don's Pawn.
Oh, that's good as hell.
Welcome.
Welcome
to Pennsylvania.
You're coming by tomorrow to pick up them laundries, aren't you, anyway?
Oh, yeah, I gotta get them laundries.
Hello?
Murph, Don.
Oh, what's up, Don? You want advice on how to win a World Series?
No, calling to give you advice on how to win one Super Bowl ever.
I got a pawn shop to run here, Don.
Oh, yeah, I don't know anything about that. Listen, Jagoff, I got a whole treasure trove of Philly magazines, okay? One of them's got a picture of Darren Dalton in a tux eating a hot dog.
That one where he got that mustard on his face?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that would move here for sure. Now that you mention it, I got them slacks worn by Jean-Claude Van Damme in that movie Sudden Death.
Double Yoy, a Pittsburgh classic.
Every piece of shit's a classic in Pittsburgh.
Well, I got something I could sell there. You got something you could sell here?
Yeah, what of it? Swap shops. Don, I just had a home run idea. Why don't we swap shops?
Sounds good. Pookie?
Yeah.
I'm Philly Bond. You pack me a chip chop ham sandwich?